Feeling stuck in your learning journey, alone facing a screen that doesn't seem to understand your challenges? KeyUserTraining is here to break down those barriers. Hi, this is Pierre, CEO of KeyUserTraining. I'm super excited to introduce you to our e-learning training platform designed to transform the way you learn. KeyUserTraining is the best of e-learning. With a variety of learning methods, books, videos, personalized courses, learning becomes child's play. Whether you prefer to devour pages or binge watch tutorials, we have got you covered. With clever features like smart search and offline mode, you will be able to learn where you want and when you want. Here's a platform where every resource is a gateway to knowledge. With our technical and human support and an AI assistant at your beck and call, you will find support and answers to your questions. Together, let's transform your sense of isolation into a vibrant learning community. Ready for a radical transformation in your learning? Stay tuned. I will be revealing the behind the scenes of KeyUserTraining soon. See you on the other side. Let's now play a little bit directly into our e-learning platform. I am here into our official website, KeyUserTraining. I can log on in English if necessary, or in French, or also in Spanish. Currently, in our main menu on the top here, if you go on the right side, you have a login button which redirects you directly into our e-learning platform website. So you will have to log in with your credentials. So once you will subscribe to our e-learning platform, you will directly receive your credentials and your account will be automatically and immediately activated. So let's write your email address and your password before pressing on connected. So here I am in the e-learning platform. I can change the language here and select English if I need to have the English terms of the platform. On the top right menu here, I can access my profile information. So here we can see our main information about my user. I can delete or update a profile picture. You can see here my name, my address, my company if I have one, my position into it, my email address, and so on. Also here, the language of my platform user. I can also access my subscriptions right here. So if you bought a monthly or yearly, and so on subscription, then you can see it here directly. And you can manage it easily, or you can cancel the subscription, upgrade or book again, and so on. So you have the full power of your subscription. You can also access the different invoices related to your payments, and here a security information which is quite important, the two-factor authentication. It will avoid that anyone which has no access normally to your user account access it, because you will need to approve the connection either by computer or either by your smartphone directly. You have here the areas of interest you will select, and with that we will be able to propose you concerning content which fit directly with your needs and requirements. So if you are interested in finance topics, for example, you just have to select it. And if we have, for example, new content related to this subject, we will inform you. And in the main page, for example, we will propose you first the topics and courses related to your areas of interest. You can also access here the favorites. So all the courses and training courses you set as favorites because you want, for example, learn them later in the future. You can also access the different notes. If, for example, you take notes directly into a training course, you will be able to find here all the courses with the notes you took. The certificates here, if you have any certification, we will discuss about it later on this video. And here the customizer, which will enable you to configure and customize your own dashboard. So on the top here, either you can go directly into the main page. So this is the home page with all our new content recently added, the recommended content to your profile based also on your areas of interest, our different learning path, and so on. So this is the main page, but if you need, for example, to discover or to start learning a specific course, you can directly use our search bar right here. Second option is to go in Discover. In Discover, you can first select a domain, so a specific business area, for example, finance, analytics, predictions, global trade service, and so on. Or just click on Discover, and then you will be able to filter here the courses with such filtering fields, such as the domain right here, or also directly the language. For example, I just would like to see the English course. I select English. I can also select here if I need course in a book format or video format or blended learning, for example. The level, is it a beginner course, advanced or expert? And also the release, for example, here, if you only want access new training courses recently published. And here you will find either training courses in video format, or you can also access book like that. If you press read books, then you can access the book with that, and you will just have to read it. You have the table of contents on the right side, and you can go directly based on the table of contents a specific feature or a specific part you would like to see in the book. And you can also use our features, for example, the show highlights, quote highlighting, the reference, and so on. So we provide also a lot of new features that will make your learning positive and powerful. Let's go back into our page here and press now learning path. So here it's a learning path built by us based on our training course already present in our platform. So we built several training courses based on the domain of business, for example, logistics, planning, finance, sales and marketing, production, programming with ABAP, and so on. And if, for example, you go in the planning one, you just check the learning path. We selected our best courses with a sequential order in order that you can read or watch the different training courses in a good manner and in an appropriate one in order to be full competent on the domain here selected. So this is really important also for beginner or for some companies. If you would like to be powerful on a specific subject, you don't need to go in each training courses to find in our main library, but we will for you create learning path we decided are the best, and we can select here our best training courses in a specific seconds in order that you are after that the best in that domain. We can also access the different certificates. So these are certificates we built on our own. These are no SAP official certificates. We built them. So you have a specific certificate by domain, for example, material management, production planning, sales, and so on, also on different languages. These are in English, in German, and so on. And this will enable you to prepare yourself to get the official SAP certification. Also, an important information is that these certificates or this certificate preparation are not inside the price of our subscription. You have to pay here 29.95 euros per certificate. If you success it, then you will get a certificate in a PDF format with our own badge that will approved that you successed the certification. But once again, that's not an SAP official certification. And one main part also, we are spending a lot of time right now and a lot of energy is the SAP helper. So this is also based on new technology and especially intelligence artificial. So AI, artificial intelligence. We provide 4 different areas. Glossary here. So there are countless SAP terms and abbreviations, most of which are not very self-explanatory. Use our simple SAP glossary search function to quickly find explanation for any SAP term or keyword. So here you select glossary and you can search for a specific SAP term or keyword. We have also our AI chatbot right here, the second feature. Our AI chatbot will help you answer your SAP questions. And then 2 new features that we are currently developing, but which are coming soon. The SAP transaction codes. So for sure, there are more than here today 100,000 SAP transaction codes in the system, which you can easily find with our quick search. So if you know what to do or what you want to do, you just write it and our system will recover the appropriate SAP transaction. That's super easy. And here, the SAP error messages. This is really great. So did you know that SAP consents today around 1 million error message per language? And then with our system, you can use our intelligent search algorithm to quickly find the right information for every SAP error message. And you will be able to solve quickly your problem. For example, if we can here select our AI chatbot and write something in order to discuss with him. For example, we can ask him a question. How to assign a plant to a company code in the organizational structure. You just press enter, and we are here discussing, directly chatting with our SAP chatbot. So that's my question, and you can see here the information of the chatbot. So in order to assign the company code in SAP, you can go to the transaction code SPRO and go in that path, enterprise structure, assignments, logistics, and so on, and here make the assignment. But super easy. And with that, you can directly discuss with an intelligent SAP helper automatically. That's our SAP e-learning platform. We are spending a lot of time to develop new features in order to propose you intelligent features and functionalities and provide you the best learning strategies. Don't forget to subscribe in order to access new content based on the new SAP features and also some intelligent and artificial intelligence and also new technology features directly related to our e-learning platform to learn easily and quickly. That's it for today. But if you are wondering how it all comes to life, join us for an exclusive webinar. Together, we will dive into KeyUserTraining, answering your questions, showing you that behind every screen, there is real human support. It's not just words, it's our commitment. The link is in the description. And together, let's make learning a shared adventure. Don't miss out. Sign up now. See you soon.